and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Either way, I'm so excited you're here. Today I'm going to be doing a nighttime routine. I have not done one of these videos in so long. I asked you guys if you wanted to see it and you said you'd love to see an updated one. If you guys are new here, I am a single mom and I have 4 children ages 6, 5, 3, and 2. Yes, it's a lot even for me to remember. So we are just gonna get right on into this nighttime routine, and I wanted to start it like in the afternoon so it would be the full routine. I just got done cleaning up the table because I like to do a little afternoon reset to the house, light some candles, just get the house smelling good so that I don't have as much cleaning to do for the evening.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need.
Go, mommy. Go, mommy. I can do that.
Oh, I almost peed myself.
I can do that. That's what I did. Mommy, come alive. Right before.
So the weather here lately has been absolutely amazing, which means tons of playing outside lately. The kids also have a lot of neighbor friends, and on this particular day, I played outside with them for a little bit. Then their neighbor friends came over and they played outside with them for so long, and I went inside to start cooking dinner. They did follow me in, and their friends came in as well. So I was making one of these giant fruit platters. I got this tray at Target and it was super cheap, and I make fruit platters like this all the time for them. And honestly, right now I was using up all the fruit that I had left. I did not have a ton of fruit left. I was also doing a buffet style of kiddie food. I was just doing pasta with olive oil and cheese, some good old dino chicken nuggets, and then crescents, and I put it all out on the table like this, and they devour it. They love putting it on the plates themselves, and they ask me to do this all the time. I was having some pasta and a few dino nuggets. I do eat dino nuggets sometimes. And I also made myself this little kid meal. It's a Good and Gather pasta shells. I mean, I don't know that it's necessarily a kid meal, but it's like a healthier mac and cheese, and it's actually really good. My kids are obsessed with them. I get them at Target. And then I was doing a little bit of cleaning up while the kids were finishing eating, and then once they were done eating, they went right back to playing, and I had this mess to clean up, and so I was doing that really quickly. And it was also Mother's Day, and my parents had got this thing of roses. They let Ellery pick it out for me, and I love the color. Ellery knows that's my favorite color, so I thought it was so cute that she picked that for me. I love you. Love you. Love you. No. Yes. I love you.
So high.
You gotta brush your hair. Okay, you gotta brush your hair.
Slow down.
Now after we do baths, I like to get everyone's hair brushed, and Ellery's was not done yet. I do hers in a little bit, but we were going into the kitchen and doing everyone's vitamins and just kind of hanging out, but also doing their vitamins. And I also wanted to mention the boys totally are in just like random pajamas. They are in a shirt and random pajama pants, because this would not be a video of mine if there wasn't something hot mess about it. They did not even have any like sets clean of pajamas. So I do throw their clothes in the wash later in this video. So that is why they're in random clothes.
I love you.
You may scratch your back?
Yeah.
Okay.
Very long.
I gotta do.
I love you, Barry.
I gotta do Ellery's hair, and then I can come. Good night, Ethan.
Good night. I love you. 1,100 hearts. Hi, Isha.
I don't do this every single night, almost every night, but Emmett usually loves his back scratched and sometimes will not go to sleep unless I sit in here with him for a few minutes and scratch his back, but I do not mind at all. I love just kind of sitting with them for a little bit before they go to bed, and I usually talk to them. This is a time when I usually talk to Ellery as well by herself, is when I'm doing her hair at night. And usually I will either dry her hair and we'll do it that way for the night, or I will just do braids and she will go to sleep and wake up with it wavy and wear it that way. Her hair is getting very, very long.
What do you mean?
Look how long. It's so long. Compared to what it was.
Then I'm not cutting it.
This is all I ever dreamed of. This is all I ever wanted.
And on this night, she also wanted her back scratched, and I also went in and scratched Eli's back after this, but I did not end up bringing the camera in there as well. But I did go into all three of their rooms. Easton had went right to sleep. He is probably my best at just going like right to sleep. So my baby is ultimately my best sleeper, which is kind of funny to me, but he goes right to sleep. My kids do have TVs in their rooms. I get kind of a lot of crap about that sometimes when I show that, but it doesn't seem to affect them very much. It does a little bit Eli sometimes, but for the most part, I always had a TV in my room, and they love it for the light and I think a little bit of noise, like if they wake up. But I was also starting that load of laundry of the boys' clothes with their pajamas, and then I was just doing a nightly reset, cleaning up all the things, doing the dishes, and getting the house back put together. What all I do cleaning wise completely depends on what there is to do. The kids were playing with their friends for quite a while, so I did still pretty much have everything to do because I was trying to keep an eye on them outside and inside. And so when the night is a little more crazy like that and late, I do end up having more cleaning to do at the end of the night, but it's totally fine. I absolutely love summertime or the warmer months where they can be outside a lot and playing with their friends, but they have been having so much fun playing outside with their friends. And I love that they have neighbors that they play with. I just think it's so neat. I never really had many neighbors or kids that lived by me growing up. And then this is so random, but I randomly saw someone on Instagram make a root beer float with a couple scoops of ice cream and a diet root beer, and I immediately was so hungry for it. And nighttime is normally when I will have a little snack, sometimes a little treat. One of the things I love is True Fruit. I have some of that a lot of times. I really love nachos, different things. I will just have a little snack sometimes and kind of take some time for myself. This is also when I will do some work, or if I have bills to pay, a voiceover to do, editing. That's usually when I do the most of that. After I do all of that, I do go into the bathroom and start my nighttime routine. I also got music going, as always. You guys know I'm always listening to music, always singing, dancing, and I was putting my hair up in a big old bun, getting ready to wash all my makeup off. I always feel weird recording myself doing things like this because I feel like I make the funniest faces. and then I was just going to be putting on my moisturizer. I normally do my moisturizer for both my face and body after I get out of the shower. I totally did this on accident since I was filming, so normally I do that right after I get out of the shower, but then I was just going to hop in the shower and head off to bed. I really hope you guys enjoyed this nighttime routine. Also comment down below and let me know if you want to see an updated morning routine, because I definitely can do that. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're new, I would love for you to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy.